So it's raining crazy. Come on, that's crazy. Holy fuck, guys. I'm like literally scared to go outside. Oh, how is it? What quieres decir? ¿Podemos? I'll pick up the rock when we get there. So guys, it's not stopping at fuck long. Mom, moving para atrás.
No.
3. For the viewers. Oh, who wants to go for it? Because I don't know what I'm doing. 3. Mom, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. It's definitely hard. No. Mom, just go. I think that'd be bad.
I don't know why I put this in the car.
I want to get wet.
You're gonna get wet.
Holy fuck.
Dame Mimi.
No pone tu música, okay? Like, holy fuck. It's beautiful outside, but look at my shoes, they got flooded.
No, me voy a comprar los volados, no marque.
¿Por qué?
Está lloviendo mucho. ¿Dónde
Please?
está tu volado? ¿Dónde está tu cartón? ¿Dónde está el cartón?
Right here.
No lo pongas ahí porque...
I just got out of the submarine. The freaking vlog is long, guys. This is what I gotta say about the vlog. It's funny. Let's go back to mom. Mom, mira la cámara. ¿Qué piensas que está del huevo?
No sé.
Está bien, malo.
Bien, que llueva.
She says it's good raining. It's very good. ¿Tú sabes qué es esto, mamá? On our YouTube. She got pranked. So, fuck that. I'll pull out my window and jump out with no socks. With socks. Ooh. You guys think I'm crazy. Get away. Couldn't buy anything. Fuck, we had to leave fast. Yo siento malo para esa gente. Feel sorry for those. Like, she's like, my bubble. So, we just ran.
Raining.
Comment Pokemon Love. Do you think, what song is that? Give you a hint. It's Born. Where we going, Mom?
Ven a comprar el volado ese.
Oh, heck yeah, my markers. On the vlog here, guys, I'll put more right now when we get in there. Just kidding, this is part of a vlog. It's 3 minutes. So, I'm trying to make a part movie. I'm working on it, guys. I'm working on it.
Ey, no me tires esas cosas ahí. Se llega a destapar. Christopher.
Alright, give me some dinero. ¿Tú quieres decir Alicia algo?
No sé si está lisa.
We gotta see my hand right now. No. I'm gonna pause the fucking. And I'm gonna. Back out clean.
No, zapatos bien mojados los traes.
BRB, I'll get the song. Alright guys, so I just made it out of the ring. Alright, I'm gonna get pens. I'm gonna get fucking get Sharpies, huh? Man, these Pumas are worth just doing something. Oh, yeah, thanks. Guess I'm rich. I like this. Of course. I don't know if it needs to be, but you didn't see my face because I don't show my face in private real much. Oh wait, man. I just dabbed. Yeah, Mom? Yeah, fuck that dick. I suck yours too. You touched it. You just said I'll suck my dick. Elvis, this is my butt. I wanna rock. Rest in peace, dude. Guys, I just stay back. Oh, yeah, Jackson. Oh, you got this dude. Oh, yeah.